Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out the all-new Schuco x Tarmac Works Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune, or also known as Nissan GTR R34. And here it is, which is basically new for 2023 and 2024. It's basically a new casting. The R34 actually has two types of versions. One is in this sort of like dark purple. Another one would be the fuel fresh version, which is in blue. Now both of them are quite hard to get, especially like this one. Basically this variation is slightly harder to get, and as you can see, because it's a Schuco and Tarmac Works collab, it's even harder to get, as it is more to a limited production model, as you can tell. But yeah, let's take a look at the box first. So here it says Schuco Tarmac Works Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune. There is the car with a lovely artwork at the back, just a simple one. Metal plastic parts 14 plus. And moving on to the back, Schuco Tarmac Works and Nissan Motor Corporation. I love the box that they use here. It's quite a unique one that Schuco loves to use. Collab 64, that's their like name for collaborations like that. Tarmac loves to use it. So you have the Tarmac T logo, and of course it says limited production run, as you can see. Let's move on to the base right here. As you can tell, Schuco, and follow on socials. Basically that's it. And 1/64 scale model R34 Z-Tune, midnight purple tree. And yeah, basically that's it. That's that if you want to see. And there you go. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So how you're meant to open it is basically by just simply taking it out from the side. It's not like a acrylic case or anything, even though it's meant to be, but I don't know why they decided to do it like this. So here is the car outside of the box with that background of a Japanese highway, I believe. And yes, it's pretty simplistic. They just use regular I think they just use regular I don't know, it's not paper, it's just like regular printed paper, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this one. And as you can tell, well, it also uses a screw which you need to take out, and you can get the car out. So my first reaction with the car, yeah, it looks great. I mean, damn, it's not bad. I mean, for Tarmac Works making an R34, that looks nasty good. I like it. So yeah, it is in that midnight purple, which is very, very nice, very glittery, very sparkly. I would say it's like, for Hot Wheels they would call it as metal flake, I would say, but this is more to a flaky, sparkly type of paint job, which I do really like. So yeah, let's see it on the turntable first before we check it out in detail. So here it is, the Nissan GTR R34 Skyline. So it looks very nice in this purple color. It looks very great, as you can tell. Yeah, it is a Nismo, so yeah, you can see some Nismo touches on it, of course. The thing I like about this car is basically the color. It looks way better than the fuel fresh version. Overall, the car looks very good on the turntable. Let's go ahead and check out the car itself. Sorry, got a bit of flu here. It's fine. So here it is, the Nissan GTR R34 Skyline in this lovely flake color, sparkly style color right here, so very nice. So as you can see, you have blacked out 5-spoke rims with rubber tires, just if you're wondering. And by the way, they do roll, which is nice. So I love the paint job that they used here. It's sort of like a combination of purple, blue, green, and brown. Like if you see it from different angles, it would turn into different colors, which is very, very nice. I do like that. They have like that 2-3 tone type of color job, paint job, which is very nice. So yeah, that's it for the side. You do have side mirrors right here as well. Moving on to the front, you have a very detailed set of headlights right here, which are plastic. As you can tell, they are plastic and it's very detailed. Of course, you know, Tarmac GTR badge right there at the grill. It says Nismo right there at the intercooler right there. You have the signal lights as well. For the hood, you do have the hood vents right there, just if you're wondering. Interior wise, yeah, you do have the normal windshield tint and grayed out interior, which is nice. Nothing on the hood, nothing on the roof or anything. Very, very clean. I love that. Here is the other side, just if you're wondering. Pretty much the same thing. So let's move on to the back. So yes, we do have rear lights, which of course Nissan normally has the 2 set of headlights for each side, and of course the Nissan badge right there, reverse lights right there, the spoiler, which is I believe plastic. Yeah, I believe it's plastic. It's still painted in that sparkly color right there, which is good. Oh yeah, that's not a reverse light. This is the reverse lights. Brake lights and reverse lights are there. Exhaust tip, which is colored in silver, which is nice. It says Nismo right there as well, GTR logo right there, which is overall really sick. So there's the exhaust tip at the base. If you're wanting to see that, there it is in detail right there. Very nice. So yeah, that is the car just now from all angles. Let's take a look at the base right now. So matte blacked out base, as you can tell. So yeah, they use the regular screws that you can use to unscrew your car. They don't use like rivets, unlike metal. So yeah, you can unscrew it. Maybe you can change their rims if you don't like it, but yeah, I won't basically do that. Schuco right there, 164 Nissan Skyline GTR R34 right there. And yeah, basically that's it. It doesn't say where it's from or anything, but yeah, I assume it should be from Hong Kong because of course Tarmac works when it comes to them. It should be from Hong Kong. Let me check the box. Yeah, it's from Macau, so yeah, same thing, but still, yeah, it is overall very, very nice and very sick. I do love the color that they've chosen to put on this car. Overall, it's I would say what Tarmac did, it's definitely better than what Mini GT did with their GTR. Definitely a step up from their game of releasing diecast cars. Would I say it's better than the Pop Race Nissan Stagia? I could say that, yeah, it is definitely better. Better than Time Micro? Definitely not, because Time Micro is still better in terms of its opening features, its detail and whatnot. Basically is better than this. But for the price, I would say it's not too bad. Its range is at 15 to 20 US dollars, which is not too bad for the price. I'd say it's pretty great. I mean, you get all of the detail needed, basically 10 times better than other diecast brands such as Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and basically Measure-Right and all of the other brands. But still, overall pretty sick and very nice to have in my GTR collection. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave Like and subscribe, and I'll see you to the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.